So you're working on your first lab, which is called writing a lab report. In this exercise, you just basically need to read through this, learn the different parts of a good lab report, and kind of practice filling out a lab report. A good lab always has a title and then a hypothesis. And your hypothesis, I want to point out, should always be in an if-then statement. It should be a conditional statement. So if I do this, then this will happen. So you're making like a definitive, like, this is what's going to happen, I think, in this lab. So you're going and making a guess. You might be wrong in the end, but you won't get points off if you're wrong. It's just you disproved your hypothesis, but that means you still proved something. You proved that your hypothesis was wrong. So make sure that your hypothesis always starts with the word if and then has the word then, like in the middle. If I do this, then this will happen. Okay. Then you write out your materials and your procedure. Your procedure should be numbered like in steps so that somebody else can read the experiment after you're done really clearly. Then you write up your results and show it like in a table or a graph, and then you state your conclusion. So in this lab, they have a fictitious little lab right here, a pretend lab that happened, and then they want you to scroll down over here to the side and write what was the purpose, what were the materials, write a step-by-step, remember to number this out, procedure of what happened, and then you're going to write a conclusion. Down here, you're going to graph the results. Make sure that you use a line graph to graph this, and you guys should have days on the bottom, 1 through 10, as stated here, and then you should have the height going up the sides. Then graph container 1 in one color, then graph container 2 in a different colored pencil, and container 3 in a different colored pencil as stated here in the directions. That's it for this lab report. Make sure, just once again, not to make this into a bar graph. Bar graphs are more like it would show the information, but it's more of like an elementary way of doing this, and you guys are in high school now, so make sure to use a line graph. That's it. Take care and have fun. Good luck.